sad. Hello. I'm leaving my room. I'm already late, but these people are not ready to drop me at the gate.
Hello people, it's time to go to the city of destiny, Vishakhapatnam, for my MBA convocation. Yes, the entire 2 years just passed like a flash of light, and here we are for my convocation ceremony. So we started from home to Vizag and witnessed this beautiful views along the way, and all I did was imagine how I would look in a sari when I walk on that stage and receive the degree. वैसे तो बस एक डिग्री ही मिलने वाली थी, इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है? I feel it's because middle class family values traditional education a lot, क्योंकि that's the only way they know is a safe ladder to success, and this is why this moment is when my parents felt ultra proud. I went to college for final checkout from my hostel room and also to give a campus tour to my family. Final checkout from my hostel room felt like the hardest goodbye. This space had been home to me for last 2 years, और कैसे नहीं लगता, because leaving this room felt entirely different, unlike my home, जहाँ मैं वापस हमेशा जा सकती हूँ. But I knew this goodbye was final and I won't walk through the same door again, or I won't feel the familiar presence ever again.
Oh no, I'll give it that later. Tapasya will come and take it.
Sure.
Yeah.
But you said no.
How sweet. I'm supposed to be sad. Hello. I'm leaving my room.
While I was giving campus tour to my parents, my father said, यहाँ से ऑडिटोरियम का रास्ता है ना? And I was like, how do you know? He said, तेरे YouTube videos में देखा है ना campus? And I can't tell you how good I felt at that moment. While they all liked the campus, my brother was in special awe. He loved the campus. Post day 1, after visiting the college and getting the formalities done, we had our day 2 vacant. So I planned to take my parents for a mini Vizag tour. Went to beach early morning and then Ramnaranam temple. And oh yes, if you ever plan to visit Vizag, don't forget to eat this dosa at Mulbagal Dosa Corner near Rishikonda Beach. It is one of the best dosas I've had in Vizag and I'm sure you'll like it. Everyone here you see is waiting because CSK had a match in Vizag and apparently the team was also going to stay at no hotel. So we got to see CSK players and Thala. I mean, what a day.
Entirely different location,
Please don't say all of that. I have to vlog today.
and I'm going and saying, "You're not there, Mukund. You're." Finally, I saw her.
Here, so then people can see you also. Hi guys, this is Mukund and this is Swanan, and we are leaving for our convocation rehearsal. And I sent very correct location to Mukund, but somehow he did not find the location and he was not able to come on time.
That's what happened. That's what happened.
That's what happened. Yes, that's what
Very
happened.
accurate.
And Swanan was also supposed to come on time. I reached on time, but these guys were not able to pick me up on time. So that's
Yeah,
why
sure,
we're running
sure.
like 10
That's
minutes
what
late. But we'll make it on time. I'm from section A, they are from section D. But it's only problematic for me because I have to be there first, and because of these guys, I'm not reaching on time. Yes. It was supposed to be convocation rehearsal, but it's more of like reaching to the convocation rehearsal, and so many struggles while going through that. No, I'm already late, but these people are not ready to drop me at the gate because they say that we are not your drivers and they've got me in this parking lot. From here we have to walk back and it will take me 5-10 minutes more. So this means I am going to even be more late than these people. And then they don't care. They are like, okay. Mukund, this is lift.
Thank you for the information.
I came here for freshers 2 years back when our MBA started, and here we are again for a pre-convocation dinner. Time flies and life has come a full circle, है ना? So while everyone is having pre-convocation dinner, getting pictures clicked, meeting each other, this person is still convincing our friends that I sent the wrong location. I mean, that is a lie, you guys.
Find her. I told her to go somewhere, she goes somewhere else.
So you're telling the story to like 100% now. You can't do this to me.
But if I tell him, it's the point. I understand. I'm the only one who understands.
It felt magical when suddenly same campus, same MBA life felt special as my parents became a witness to it. They were very happy to meet my friends, batchmates, professors and to listen about me from them.
Drive safe. मेरे पापा छोड़ने आए थे तब बोला था तुझे अच्छे से चलाना.
मेरे को नहीं बोला था. मेरे को बोला था मैं सोने के लिए जा रहा हूँ.
But still, drive safe.
Today is the day, 30th March 2024. I wore my mom's chain and my dad's first watch he ever bought. It just adds more meaning to what I wanted to carry on my special day. Now, as I reach this beautiful place again, here's the registration process that I had to do first. फिर उसके बाद, for which we all gathered, was the batch photo. Now, batch photo is not just a photo but an emotion. It is special because it captures the shared memories and the bond of the group we had. It's like a lasting memento of a significant time of 2 years of MBA that we all spent together. So, to all the shared memories.
Hi, so we are about to start our convocation and we all are told to sit according to our roll numbers. So ये chairs पे हम लोगों की name plates लगाई हुई है and I am roll number 54 and he is
Hi, I'm roll number 55.
Shubham. So we were sitting beside since the first day of our college. Then we were also in the same summer internship.
तो मुझे लिखना बहुत पसंद है एंड आई रिमेंबर समवन वंस सेड टू मी, कितनी भी राइटर बन ले, लाइफ में कोई ऐसा मोमेंट आएगा जब तुझे लगेगा वर्ड्स आरंट इनफ एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली दैट मोमेंट. आई फॉल शॉर्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब हाउ अनरियल इट फेल्ट, लाइक अ ड्रीम कमिंग ट्रू. On that note, while I talk about dream, let me thank people who helped me so it becomes a reality. My parents, they really had been very supportive about everything throughout. Considering my hectic schedule and whatnot, they always said to kar legi and never like, why do you want to do so many things? And here I fall short of words again to express thankfulness to you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं.
At this moment, I have just returned from my convocation and I'm shooting this to tell you all that my time as a student at IIM Visakhapatnam has ended and I am now a graduate, a postgraduate in MBA from IIM Visakhapatnam. Thank you so much for witnessing my journey throughout the time and let's see what happens in future. Stay tuned with me and get to know that what I do in life and I aim to tell you all, guide, share information and entertain through this YouTube channel and all my social media presence. Thank you so much.
As I convocated, the happiest person that day was my brother who got a pizza treat. Well, I wanted to go to the beach and sit, just to feel the peace and calm. There have been n number of times I've ended my best days at the beach in these 2 years. So it felt like a ritual. The beaches, the mountains, the sunrise, the sunsets, everything about Vizag will be missed. It is truly the city of destiny. Moving forward, I feel a mix of pride, excitement, and a bit of sadness. As it's the end of one chapter but a start of a new adventure. Okay, so, real world, here I come.